Hello, my dear friends. Greetings of peace. Question and answer number 3, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: why do we seek God? Answer: God has placed in our hearts a longing to seek and find Him. Saint Augustine says, "You have made us for yourself, and our heart is restless until it rests in you." We call this longing for God. Thus, we can understand religion generally to mean a relationship to what is divine. A religious person acknowledges something divine as the power that created him and the world on which he is dependent and to which he is ordered. He wants to please and to honor the divinity by his way of life. It is natural for man to seek God. All of our striving for truth and happiness is ultimately a search for the one who supports us absolutely, satisfies us absolutely, and employs us absolutely in his service. A person is not completely himself until he has found God. A Carmelite nun and philosopher named Saint Edith Stein said, "Anyone who seeks truth seeks God, whether he realizes it or not." A Dominican priest, scientist, and scholar, doctor of the church, and one of the greatest theologians of the church, named Saint Albert the Great, said, "The noblest power of man is reason. The highest goal of reason is the knowledge of God." Hence, in the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 17, verses 27 to 28a, it says, "Men should seek God in the hope that they might feel after Him and find Him. Yet He is not far from each one of us, for in Him we live and move and have our being." God bless you.